So I guys, today I'm going to show you guys what does not like sound. So guys, so I'm gonna look at this. Alright, now it's my turn. So I might have to fight somebody as a high level. Okay, so instead he's a high level, so if he wants to fight me. Oh, here's my friend here. A friend of him though, so let's see if I can ask him to. Do you want to narrate me? Man! Dude! Dude! Never mind. Never mind. Okay, guys, I guess he just wanted to just have fun. There you go. I got like the real like that guy holding the hammer. So guys, my friend is just gonna be boy, what you trying to do? Alright. Oh my goodness. I got a clean color. Come on, man. I don't have time for you to do all this crap. That was just... Y'all, that's like just... I can't even hit this guy. Okay, bad dude. Okay, man, my game lagging. My game lagging a lot. No, put that away! Oh no! Girl, you know this bitch is hammer! Hammer! Girl, I feel like getting guys to play it now. Let them keep it going. Okay, I'm gonna make you go home. Wait, what? No, heck no. I don't know how much that time it takes. Boy, you better turn around. After me, boy. You wanna miss it, boy. Hey! Boy. I was trying a little bit. I don't know you re-edit this guy. Boy, get out doing all that. So it's a boy. Do it this way. There you go.